I bought something from Amazon Australia for the first time. Delivery options were 1. To my home address, 2. To Amazon Hub Locker. The delivery fee to my house was $5.98. To my Amazon Hub Locker was $4.99. So I chose Amazon Hub Locker, plus I wanted to use this locker because I was curious. I ordered stuff on Wednesday and it delivered 2 days later. It could be delivered during nighttime, so I went to the locker Saturday morning. How to receive your order is 1. You will get email from Amazon and track your number, and then Amazon will tell you the code. So all you have to do is punch in the code you are given from Amazon. So this is the last code, and then I heard a pop. One of the door was open. I was trying to get the box from the locker. At the same time I was filming, so my finger was in the camera. And then close the door, and it says close the door properly, so I press the door. It was so easy and convenient.